Hey guys, welcome back to another paper chaser tutorial. Today we will be making this heart air balloon card. It flutters when you pull on the clouds. But before we get started, I just wanted to let you know about our crafting club. This is a monthly subscription where you get complete access to all of our cards and templates via our website at paperchaser.to. So if you are ready to start crafting, click on the link in the description bar down below and I'll take you to our sign up page. And we are back onto the heart air balloon. So once you have your template purchased and downloaded from paperchaser.to, remember the files come in PDF and SVG. We're going to cut it out onto the appropriate cardstock and we're going to start with piece A. We're going to be gluing piece A1 to A2. Now we're taking piece A and we are just going to glue it on top of piece B right at the end here on the right hand side. And once that is glued down into place, we will fold over piece B along the scored line. Then taking piece C, we will be folding along its scored line. And then we're going to add glue onto the smaller half of that fold. Then taking piece B, we're going to be gluing piece C onto that. We want to align the straight edges in the center of the heart, making sure that hearts are nice and straight. Then we are essentially going to be doing the same exact thing to piece D as we did with piece C. We're going to fold along the scored line, then add glue onto the smaller half, and then we're going to glue that onto the back of piece C, making sure that we align the centers and the edges. And this is where the fun really begins. Take piece E and fold and crease along the middle score line. Then on the edge of this piece, we're going to be folding along the score lines to form sort of a long rectangle along that one edge. Once everything is glued into place, make sure that you pop it open to make sure that it forms a square and that everything is properly glued. Then, like pieces C and D, we're going to be placing glue onto the heart half of piece E and then gluing it down aligned to your piece D. Then after you make sure that your piece A is folded over the way it should be, we're going to add glue onto the rectangular edge of piece E, and then we're going to glue it down centered onto the base piece. And that is what you are seeing on the screen. The red outline is that of piece E, and the blue is that of the base piece. Then, taking your F pieces, we're just going to add glue onto the ends of it, and then we're going to align it to the edge of your piece E. Hold the ends down and glue it into place. Then with your other piece F, we're going to place the glue in the same spots, sort of align it horizontally with the first one, and then glue it underneath the cloud of your piece B, and then hold that down and stick it down into place. Next, we will glue pieces G1 and G2 onto piece E. When we are gluing this down, we are going to avoid gluing it directly onto the score line. This just helps with the fluttering mechanism to work better. With the G piece on the left hand side, we're just going to place it on top of piece E without the glue, and using our index finger, we're just going to mark where the corner of piece E ends. That way, we'll only be adding glue onto the surface area where the two pieces meet. Next, we will assemble our H pieces, so we will be gluing H2 on top of H3 and then H1 on top of H2. Then we will glue our H piece to the base, making sure that we cover the ends of pieces F1 and F2. And then last but not least, we want to glue our colored bow ties onto our F pieces. So that is pieces I1 and I2 onto F1 and F2 respectively. I think that this card right here would be such a great gift to hand out to your loved ones this Valentine's Day, and I created a whole bunch using different colors, and I really do love the variation on this. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please hit that subscribe button to support me and watch my latest videos, which are on the screen here. Like, share, and comment up this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!